Hi,
Hello.
James.
Yes, hi, ma'am.
Tell me how the people live, what are subjects here, etc.
Uh,
Tell me
um,
to Andhra people.
Ma'am, I did my graduation and first masters from here, like in Nainital, from the SB campus. I did like a forestry course, and I involved in with it with the like so many research program on wild animals from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and now I am here. It's like our home, and now started. We are running at this camp because you can show. Yeah, so
Next.
the interesting part is the road is came here like last 2 years before, and before that the all villagers are used to use this. This is the old track, ma'am. Are you seeing there? The tank is right now there. This is the local
Ah,
track to
okay.
visit any facilities of Nainital.
Oh,
So they have to walk from here to Nainital is like a 8 kilometer from here, one side, and it's challenging for the villagers also because they do farming here, and they have like carry all the weight, like all the vegetables and something on his back and take to the Nainital and sell there and then come by. That's the earning from the village. Now it's easy when the road comes. So now you guys are also accessing this place very easily. So this is the place.
okay. What about Himalaya ranges?
So ma'am, when you see this side, so there is a Tarai Arkland. From this part, from the view, you will see down. There is a one river. That's the Dapka river.
Oh,
It's in Ramnagar, and from there you will see the how the mountains merge and became like you will see there like a foothills. Now we are in subtropical Himalayas, and then you will see that peak. It comes into the temperate Himalayas, like laser Himalayas and temperate forest zones. And after that, you will reach the greater Himalayas in Uttarakhand.
okay. All Himalaya mountains are capable to live.
Not all. Like the human habitation here is like till the last in greater Himalayas also, but it's very difficult to live there in winters. So every people have two places. One in a when they will able to access in a summer place, summertime, and after the winter comes, they shift into the lower areas.
So
So
definitely, every person in the Himalayas definitely must change their places.
yeah, it's because they have a livestock also. When there is too much snow, there is no fodder
Farming.
for the goats and
Ah,
all.
oh,
So they took down. They all the time take all the goats down to
oh, very
the
pitiable.
Bugyals.
Okay. What are languages here?
Ma'am, you are in the Kumaon region of
Yeah,
Uttarakhand.
our region.
Uttarakhand is divided into two parts. Like first is Kumaon, second one is Garhwal, and we are now here in the Kumaon. So we are speaking here like Kumaoni.
Oh,
The
language,
all
Kumoli
Pahadi
language.
hill Pahadi
Ah,
guy.
okay. Animals,
Uh,
your
yeah,
favorite subject.
yeah, it's my favorite subject. So this is the place you are seeing here. There's the bird conservation reserve here in
Oh,
Nainital. It's like Nanda Devi Bird Conservation Reserve,
okay.
and it's connected to the Tarayar land also.
Oh,
So we have like here lots of animal like leopard, Himalayan black bear, and tiger also because
wow.
we found tiger in
Wow.
2013 during the camera traps,
Oh,
and so many prey species like you will get here barking deer, gorel, and like there is a one another ungulate. It's called sarrow. So it's very rare here to sight,
oh. It is
and lots
exciting to
of
listen
birds
animal
and
sense.
lots of birds because this is like bird conservation reserve. So you will find so many birds here. So it's
So all Himalayan ranges, mountains are not capable to live. Some are
in
left
winter
to
it's access.
left to
Yeah,
animals
yeah,
also. Animals.
yes, ma'am.
And will you say anything?
Uh, if you
With your favorite subject, favorite feelings, any?
now I am here to host you in this camp, so you can visit this area and do hike with me. So I can show you the jungle, the birds, the nature, and some village life also, how they are living here.
Okay. Say some wish to Andhra people.
Uh, ये तो मैं
I
हिंदी में
will
बोलना
send
चाहूँगा
I will send this video to all of
कि मैं हिंदी
wish
में
them.
बोलना चाहूँगा कि
Wish them.
या कि अतिथि देवो भव.
What is different plain areas and mountains to people?
From plain to mountain, what can you repeat?
Plains.
हाँ
Maidan say
हाँ
people
हाँ
or mountains people.
difference.
Difference.
So
And difference between you and us.
so in Uttarakhand, like if you see the plains area,
Ah.
it's touched with the Uttar Pradesh.
Ah.
So they are most from the language is like different. If you come here, they people speak Kumauni, but if you go down the lower plains of Uttarakhand, they speak Hindi and some UP touch language.
Physically, any difference between
They
mountainer
are
people? Sir?
like very tough people. So they are young. They live more than the
Plain people.
plain people.
Wow.
They got less diseases. They living in the
Wonderful. That is the
Yeah.
important to
Yeah.
nowadays.
yeah. So and they are living in the fresh air. And now you will go down. So it's also fresh, but not more than that.
Oh, yes.
And the exercise, one of the important thing, they have like exercise as a daily routine. So in down we have to do exercise to make our body fit. this
Natural
is the-
exercises.
yeah.
These are natural
If you are
exercises.
here, you will walk like every day, like 5 to 10 kilometers. It's a basic for a tourist also.
Ah.
And the villagers, like I will talk about the kids also. In this village, there is a one school. It's till 8th, and after you want to do like a higher education, from 9th to 12th, you have to go Nainital. So every student walk like 16 to 20 kilometers every day.
Wonderful thing. It is the wonderful thing. Good, good. Good. Health is important.
Yeah, that's why they are healthy.
The mountainer people are very healthy
Yeah.
people. Okay. Thank you, James. Wonderful information.
Please share your experience also.
In Telugu, namaste to Andhra, namaste Telugu varu. Say namaste.
Namaste Telugu varu.
Wonderful, James. Wonderful. Thank you.
I'm also look like
Wonderful fashion.
from Tamil
Can you show your height?
Yeah.
Can you show your height to us? Okay. For 8 years, you grow.
yeah 8 years.
Yes. What purpose?
No,
It's fashion or any?
no, I am like working in the Himalayas, like from 12 years,
Rushi, like Rushi.
and just I started my long hair. How I can tolerate this thing, so
Grew.
yeah. But it's like also meditation
Oh,
to live with this hair
wonderful.
because it's not easy to carry the long hair.
Okay. Nice to talk to you. Thank you very
ma'am.
much,
Thank
James.
you.
Okay.